Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings so you can see real battery details. Swipe down twice from the top, then tap the gear icon. This takes you to system controls. Once inside, find device care or directly battery depending on your model. Tap battery to load usage metrics. You do this first because it reveals immediate stats like percent and recent app drain. Make sure to allow the list to populate. The system may take a second to show accurate usage history. Once done, read the usage graph and main numbers to understand how fast your phone is draining. The percentage plus estimated time remaining gives a snapshot. The graph shows spikes that point to heavy activity. Tap any app in the list to see foreground versus background usage and why power was consumed. This helps you decide whether to restrict background activity or uninstall. Also check battery usage since full charge to spot recurring culprits over multiple cycles. To finish, apply fixes directly from the battery screen. Enable adaptive battery or a power-saving mode to limit background tasks and extend life. Make sure to restrict or uninstall apps showing excessive drain and consider force stopping them temporarily. If readings look inaccurate, reboot your phone and recheck. Sometimes a simple restart recalibrates stats. If problems persist, run device care or safe mode to isolate misbehaving apps. That usually resolves mysterious battery drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.